Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Brain Boy Man, where we drop all tips on cryptocurrency and airdrop. Today I'm going to be teaching how to trade your dogs when you eventually receive it from the airdrop on BYBIT. Yeah. As at the time of this recording, trading of dog is not live yet. But then I'm just trying to make this video to teach people who want to get on the trade as early as they can when trade resumes tomorrow. I'm making this video on 25th of August, and trading of dogs starts tomorrow. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Be sure to hit the like, subscribe, comment, and share button on this video. Thank you. So this is BYBIT. If you used BYBIT if you use your BYBIT address to receive your dogs, by now you should have received your token. Like now, for example, I've received mine. This is mine right here, but it has no value yet because trading is not live. So here's how you trade it when it goes live. You come to spot down here, this place. So when you click on spot, this is the place you buy and sell tokens. You trade your tokens basically on BYBIT. So when you click on spot, you come to make sure the column is not on convert. Make sure the column is on trade. Then you click here at the top here, just below the chart. You click at the top here. So when it pops up something like this is the place where you select the tokens you want to trade. Right now, if I search dogs here, I'm not going to see it right now because it's not trading yet till tomorrow. But this is where you will come, guys. When you search dogs here tomorrow, it's going to pop up. So you are going to select dogs/USDT. Dogs/USDT. So or whichever token you want to trade it to. But I'm trading mine to USDT, which is like very convenient. So you click on it, it's going to come back here, and make sure it's on the column is on. There's buy column and there's sell. Make sure it's on sell because you would want to sell. And if you want to buy tomorrow, you put it on buy, but put it on sell. When you put it on sell, this place that is market, make sure it's on market. This column, make sure it's on market, not limit. Market means like you are going to sell at the market price, exactly at the price when it launches. So it's faster than limit, because limits means like you are setting your own price you want it to sell at. So if it goes below that price or goes above that price, your order will be pending until it goes back to that exact price that is being set. So the fastest way to sell it is putting this stuff on market. And then you are going to fill the quantity you want to sell is here. You're going to fill it. Like if you want to sell half of your dogs, 20%, 10%, you can fill it here. So once you fill that, you just click on sell. Once you click on sell, the order will execute ASAP, and your dog is going to be converted to USDT. As easy as that. And if you want to buy, when you click on buy, that means you want to buy dogs with USDT. You are basically doing the same thing, but like in reverse. So you just put the amount of USDT worth of dogs you want to buy. So click on buy. When you click on buy, the order is going to execute successfully. So yeah, I wouldn't want to bore you with more details, but basically that's just it. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more content, hit like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.